Wayne Adams. I'm a student at Unity College, and right now I'm showing you the environment of where my riparian wetland biome is located. This is southeast Oklahoma. Our climate in southeast Oklahoma runs with temperatures on average annual of 67 degrees, but in the wintertime, in a very harsh winter, it is 0 degrees to a mild winter into the 40s. So, and mostly we do hit some 30s during the wintertime. Precipitation runs about 40 to 55 inches throughout the year. Our environment here is a humid, tropical. We've got some traffic passing by, but there's a road that's right in this wetland area. This would be considered the Braden Bottoms wetland. This is where, when the Potomac River floods out, you'll begin to see water coming up in here, and so they use this as a farming territory. It's kind of a Saharan wetland type biome, because you'll see it's a lot of prairie going on. We have a lot of C3 plants, but back in the distance, back way in the distance over there, you can see the green, and that's going to be C4 corn, but that's a garden scenario there. So mostly in this area is C3 plants. It's pretty wet. There's a lot of growing going on. I know a man in this local area that grows a lot of crops, and that's actually his crops. And if you'll pan that way, you can see some more crops being grown back in the distance. That's going to be C4 plants as far as corn. C4 means carbon 4 plants from the Calvin cycle. C3 is carbon 3 plants, which we're seeing right here in front of us. But we have cows in this general vicinity. We have coyotes, we have bullfrogs, we have a lot of fish, different types of fish in the local area. As far as our environment of the wetland, you'll run from bass to catfish to just about a lot of different types of fish in the local area. We have some crappie, but mostly not crappie around here. You'll find the crappie further out into Latimer County in southeast Oklahoma. In this general vicinity, we have cottonmouth water moccasins that roam the area, and so they are poisonous. We have some poisonous plants in the area. We have some that are invasive. We have poison and invasive plants, mostly invasive. And so that's what the area, the environment is like here. It's a beautiful environment. You're seeing, like I said, a Saharan type riparian wetland structure in the environment where I have been able to retrieve the plants, which the 4 plants that I was really interested in is dandelion, and then I had the paper mulberry, the trying to think of what it's called, the Philolosa, and then the Setagera. So the Rosa Setagera. So that's kind of where I'm at. That's what I'm looking at. That's the environment that we have. Thank you so much, and I will have the presentation shortly.